SPLA war veteran Daniel Majok was shot 3 times on his leg during the pre-independence civil war. 33 years later, he appeals for financial support to remove the bullets. Majok said he has been living on paid leave for many years. He joined the SPLA at the age of 17 in 1984, having completed his third year at intermediate school in Bor of Jonglei State. "I joined the SPLA when I was 17, and it was my decision to sacrifice my education and help my fellow youth to fight for the liberation of South Sudan," Majok told iRadio. After his military training in Ethiopia under Battalion 9, which is rather known as Katiba Bilpam, he was first shot and wounded in 1989 around Mangala and Nasidu. Again in 1993, he got shot while fighting around Mundri and Rokan, as well as Rajaf, Lobnak Road. "There are 3 bullets in my leg. I started requesting help in October 2013 so that I can be operated on. I went to Bilpam, but there was nothing, not a positive response. I'm appealing for help." Majok said he went to Juba Teaching Hospital several times, but the doctors referred him to private hospitals. He told iRadio that after attending to doctors in different private medical centers in Juba, he was told to travel outside the country. "The doctors said I have to be referred to either Nairobi or Kampala for an operation. I need £1.5 million, that's more than $3,000 to remove the bullets from my leg," he stressed.